become the online equivalent to Black Friday and offers a way for smaller retail websites to compete with larger chains. Since its inception, it has become an international marketing term used by online retailers. I'm so excited for our first day back in school. Are you guys excited too? Yes! I can't believe I got my own bag with my own
I just can't believe it. I've let the bird open at school hall.
Going to be honest with you, this bird is so cute and adorable.
You're right. I'm not okay. Oh, picnic. I thought if I didn't think about it, I'd feel okay.
Well, no,